This is the brain. It's what makes a human do things. It's responsible for how we process and store information. Kind of like a computer, but organic. Every thought of ours, unconscious or conscious, is done by the brain. Being a very complex machine, there are many parts to it. So let me zoom in here. There we go. On the outside of the brain, these are the parts. The occipital lobe focuses on visual processing, so damage in this area can result in damage to vision or complete blindness. The temporal lobe, on the other hand, deals with other matters, such as hearing, memory, emotion, and speaking. The frontal lobe is incredibly important, as it focuses on organization, planning movements, and recent memory, just to name a few. The parietal lobe focuses on body sensations, making it vital for the sensory perception of things such as taste, temperature, pain, and touch. Speaking of touch, there are two cortices in the brain. The primary somatosensory cortex focuses very specifically on touch, while the primary cortex focuses on fine movement control. So while waving a hand is one thing, fine movement is a whole different ballpark. Moving away from the exterior, it's time to dig deeper into the brain. Moving inward, there are other important parts to bring up. The cerebellum helps control posture, balance, and your voluntary movements. The medulla controls breathing, heart rate, and many other different types of reflexes, with the pons acting as a bridge between the spinal cord and the brain, along with producing any of the chemicals needed for sleep. The thalamus is a relay station for all the information that travels through the previously mentioned cortices, with information coming in from the eyes, ears, and skin. The hypothalamus is in charge of our functions regarding hunger, thirst, and sexual desire. The cerebral cortex allows you to store complex and abstract information, and the pituitary gland helps control your hormones.
Get out of my room,
The forebrain is responsible for voluntary actions, thinking, and processing, coming full circle.